Hi, and welcome to the channel. Today, I'll walk you through how to append rows to a Google Sheet. This means adding new rows to the end of an existing Google Sheet. Instead of overwriting existing data, the new rows are placed below the last filled row. Let's get started. First, create a new report and select Orders as the report type. Then, add the columns you need. In this case, we will add the order number, fulfillment status, and total price. You can remove any columns you don't need. Next, click on Export Mode and set it to Incremental. Incremental means that you don't rewrite the entire sheet every time. Instead, you only add the new entries that have appeared since the last update. Then, click on Storage and choose Google Drive/Google Sheets. Click Apply, go to File Type, change it to Google Sheets, and select Append. Click Apply again and preview the report. If everything looks good, give the report a clear name, for example, New Orders, save it, and run it. This way, your Google Sheet will always stay up to date with only the latest orders added at the bottom. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video.